Hi everybody, my name is Dmitry, and in this video I want to show you how to install and set up the City Hall WordPress theme. This is a free theme, but a premium version with even more features is available. In this video you will learn how to set up the homepage just like the theme's demo. I will also explain the theme's features, settings, and customization options. In the second part of the video I will explain the difference between the free and the premium versions of a theme. I will also provide an exclusive discount code for the premium version of a theme, so stick around. You will find all the necessary links in the description below. Ready to get started? Let's go! This video was recorded using WordPress 5.5.1 and version 2.0.0 of the City Hall Lite theme. Some parts of this video might be obsolete in future versions of WordPress or of this theme. To install the free City Hall theme, go to the dashboard and open the themes page in the Appearance section. Click the Add New link and search for City Hall in the search field. Hover the theme and click the Install link. It will take a few seconds for the theme to be downloaded and installed on your website. Click the Activate button to activate the theme. If your WordPress website is new and has no content, this is what the homepage will look like after activating the theme. WordPress automatically adds some standard widgets to the sidebars. Let's start by removing them. Now let's look at the theme's demo and I will show you how to set up every part of it. It's a simple process that anyone should be able to handle. In the header we have a website logo, the secondary menu, and a widgetized area with some sample widgets, a standard search widget and a social icons widget. Of course, you can place any other widgets in this area or no widgets at all. After that comes a wide cover image with a main menu on top of it. The first section on the homepage is created using a custom widget included in the theme. It allows you to create up to 3 widgetized columns. Next comes the Featured Pages section, created with another custom widget included in the theme. After that we have a Recent Posts block, with a primary and secondary sidebars on both sides. And finally the website's footer, which is divided into 3 sections. The first section with a red background is split into 2 widgetized areas. The second section with a white background is also a widgetized area, but this one is full width. It works great with widgets or images that require the full width of a page. In this case, it is a simple image with a collection of partner logos. These 2 footer sections will not be displayed on the website if you don't add any widgets to them, so you can easily hide both of these sections. And the final section of the footer is divided into yet another 3 widgetized columns, the third one being larger than the first 2. There is also a custom menu location here if you want to add a horizontal menu. The theme's demo contains a collection of pages and blog posts. The homepage is set to display the latest posts, which is why we have a blog post section on the homepage. I'll get back to this topic later in the video. Now let's take a closer look at every section of a website and I'll show you how to set everything up. Let's start by uploading a logo for our website. Go to the Customize page and open the Site Identity tab. Upload a new image or select an existing one from your media library. After you select the image, click the Skip Cropping button. The City Hall theme has 2 menu locations in the header of a website, primary and secondary. The primary menu can have multiple levels with a drop-down effect. I have a separate video about creating and using menus. If you are new to WordPress, I suggest that you watch that video. The City Hall theme does something special about the primary menu. Each top-level link can have a border of a different color. To change these special colors, go to the Menus page and open your primary menu. If you expand the card for a top-level link, you can add a custom CSS class to use one of the many predefined colors. Please consult the documentation page for a complete list of custom CSS classes. On the screen you can see the custom classes that were available at the time of recording this video. Another important thing to know about this theme is its mobile menu. On smaller screens, the theme displays a collapsible menu. Your mobile menu can be the same as your primary menu, or you can create a separate menu for smaller screens. The full width header image on the homepage can be changed on the Customize page from the Header Media panel. You can upload multiple images and enable the Randomize Headers option. This will display one of the uploaded images on every page load. Now let's look at the custom widgets that are included in the theme. Open the Widgets page. The 4 custom widgets are Featured Pages, Posts section, Recent Posts, and Widgets container. Let's start with the 3 widgetized columns. I have sample widgets in every widgetized area, 1 widget per column. Of course, you can add more widgets or widgets of a different type. To display these 3 columns, you have to add the Academia Widgets container to the Content Widgets area. In these widgets options, you can choose the color for each column. It can be one of the predefined colors or a custom color. If you remove all the widgets from one of the columns, the widget's layout will automatically adjust itself. The Featured Pages widget lets you add a row of up to 4 pages. You can choose to display or not the page thumbnails, titles, excerpts, and the Read More links. You can use multiple instances of this widget to display any amount of pages on the homepage. The Academia Recent Posts widget lets you display recent blog posts. You have the same look and options as the Featured Pages widget. The Academia Posts section will also display recent blog posts, but using a different layout. Before I show you what else can be done with the homepage, let's look at how the footer is set up. The pre-footer row 1 is the area with a red background. It is separated into 2 widgetized areas. The demo uses a standard image widget for the left side and a standard text widget for the right side. As with any widgetized area, you can add anything here. Social icons, a call to action, or anything else that you want to stand out. The pre-footer row 2 is the one with a white background. Here we also see a standard image widget. This area can work just as great with the Academia Widgets container widget. You can create a new instance of a widget and use a plugin to display it on all pages except the homepage. There are a few more things that you can do with the homepage. On the Settings Reading page, the demo is set to display the latest posts. You can, however, choose a static page as the homepage and a separate page as your blog page. If I do that, you can see that the custom widgets are no longer displayed on the homepage, and it looks just like a regular static page. For this reason, the theme comes with 2 additional custom page templates. Let's edit the A Message from the Mayor page, which we have as our homepage. In the Page Attributes box, if we select the Only Widgets template and save a page, we can see that now our homepage displays only our widgets and nothing else. If we select the Widgets plus Page Content template and save a page, we have our widgets and the Mayor's Message page content. This allows you to create a homepage that fits your specific needs. Now that we're finished with the homepage, let's look at all the other theme features, settings, and customization options. Let's open the Customize page and then the Theme Settings panel. The header can use a compact layout or a centered layout. The main menu can be standard or overlaid. Standard means that it is displayed before the header image and it is full width. Overlaid means that it appears at the bottom of a header image and has the width of the content box. Please note that on pages that don't have a featured image, the menu is displayed in its standard form. You can choose if you want to have 2 sidebars, only 1 sidebar, or no sidebars at all. This is a global setting that will affect all the pages on your website. The dynamic menu is a feature that is very useful on websites with a lot of pages. When you have pages with multiple child pages, a menu is automatically generated in the sidebar. This menu makes it easier to navigate from one sibling page to another. Here you can choose if you want the dynamic menu in the primary or in the secondary sidebar. You can also choose to display or not the featured images in pages and posts. The featured image can be displayed full width like the header image on the homepage or boxed above the content. For posts, you can display or hide the published date on archive pages. Inside posts, you can display or hide the published date, the post's category, tags, and the author's bio. If you go to the Theme Settings panel and open the Homepage subpanel, you can change the heading of a blog posts section. In the Footer subpanel, you can change the copyright text and enable or disable the Academia Themes credit link. It's that simple. This theme comes with built-in styling for the standard navigation widget. Here's an example of a long menu with many pages and subpages. Let's go to the Widgets page and add a navigation menu widget to the primary or secondary sidebar. This is what the menu looks like. The plus sign signals that this page has subpages. The free version of a theme also comes with some basic color customization options. Go to the Customize page and open the Theme Colors panel. You can change some of the main colors in the theme. It's quick and easy to implement your brand colors. As an example, let's transform the website's footer to a light color scheme. Now that I've demonstrated what the free version of a theme can do, let's look at the additional features that are available in the premium version. After you purchase and install City Hall Pro, all you have to do is activate it on your website. When you switch from City Hall Lite to City Hall Pro, all your settings will be transferred over, so you won't have to redo anything. Let's start with the two additional custom widgets: Call to Action and Featured Page. The Call to Action widget lets you easily create simple buttons. You can choose the button text and URL. The buttons can be set to fill the parent container's width. You can also set custom colors for every widget. The Featured Page widget can be used in the sidebars to bring attention to important pages. Simply choose the page and the desired layout, standard or overlaid. If you don't want to use the page's featured image, you can choose any other image from the media library. You can also set a custom color for each widget. The premium version of a theme provides an easy way to change some things on a per-page basis. Here's an example. We might want this page to have just the primary sidebar and hide the page's title. Edit the page, choose the sidebar, hide the title, and save the changes. Another really cool thing is the ability for parent pages to display their subpages. As an example, let's look at the Culture and Tourism page, which has 4 subpages. If we edit this page, we can see this checkbox for Display Child Pages. Let's click it. Now we get to choose the layout and some more options. Let's save the page and see what happens. We get this list of child pages. What else can we do with this? Let's disable the secondary sidebar and change the layout of a child pages section. What if we remove both sidebars? Then we can display these pages in a grid of 4. How great is that? It takes just a few clicks and the theme does everything for you. Another thing that is included in the premium version is this text size changer in the header of a website. You can enable or disable it in the Theme Settings panel, at the bottom of a General Settings subpanel. When enabled, your visitors will be able to increase the text size on your website. This new text size will be saved in the visitor's browser and will persist between pages. The premium version of City Hall provides font customization options. Go to the Customize page and open the Theme Fonts panel. Here you can choose from the full list of Google fonts, change the font for different theme sections, tweak the font size, style, and so on. And finally, the City Hall Pro theme comes with a one-click demo import feature. If you're using the theme on a new website with no content, it takes a minute or two to have a complete replica of a theme's demo. This will help you better understand how different things are set up. These are some of the main differences between the free and premium versions of City Hall. If you have other questions, you can find some useful information on the themes page in the appearance section. On this page, you will find links to theme documentation and to support resources. Alright, that's gonna do for my demonstration of a City Hall WordPress theme. If you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as promised, here's an exclusive discount code for the purchase of a premium version of this theme. You can see the code on your screen. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.